Hey guys, so I'm obviously right behind the thunder, and it is storming, obviously.
But I'm not sure I know how.
I'm watching SpongeBob SquarePants right now. But yeah, checking a lightning strike. I don't think it's that bad, but we're still under a tornado watch. If you see where, oh sorry, hold on. Sometimes I don't have good quality from my flip camera, so let me show you. Okay. Lightning strike reported 5 minutes ago. 13.7 minutes north of you. So yeah. Coming! Coming! What's wrong?
County until 8:15
Oh, severe
p.m.
thunderstorm
Central
warning just
Daylight
issued.
Time. At 7:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along
Dang it.
Humansville to Everton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bolivar, Stockton Lake, Palm Detail Lake, Stockton State Park, Ash Grove, Humansville, Walnut Grove, Polk, Pleasant Hope, Fairplay, Morrisville, Everton, Danville, Halfway, Flemington, Aldrich, Bear Creek, King Hill, Arnica, Cave Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor.
Check if it's on here.
Locations impacted include Bolivar, Stockton Lake, Palm Detail Lake, Stockton State Park, Ash Grove, Humansville, Walnut Grove, Polk, Pleasant Hope, Fairplay, Morrisville, Everton, Danville, Halfway, Flemington, Aldrich, Bear Creek, King Hill, Arnica, Cave Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. Drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
It's too loud.
Springfield. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri.
Whoa. Come in.
With 9 points early on. Later tonight,
What's going on? Dang. That's us. Green County. I knew it.
This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bolivar, Stockton Lake, Palm Detail Lake, Stockton State Park, Ash Grove, Humansville, Walnut Grove, Polk, Pleasant Hope, Fairplay, Morrisville, Everton, Danville, Halfway, Flemington, Aldrich, Bear Creek, King Hill, Arnica, Cave Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send a report to the National Weather Service Office in Springfield. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Cedar, Dade, Greene, and Polk.
Oh, you can't change it.
The threat of strong storms today, but also
That is it.